Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How you all doing? So in today's video I did a veneer wall. Later on we're going to install our brick here. Do a bit of origin as well, and we installed some anchor bolts. We laid 3 different types of block: 8 inches, and we break it down to 6 inches, and the big guy down here, 35 pound 10 inches block. I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Let's dive right into the video, guys. So today we're here to do a brick block foundation. This is the drawing that we have here. Here we're going to go with 10 inches block here. And here we're going to be 8 inches and 8 inches. Here we're going to come off here and go back this way. Go back here and then drill in from this wall here. So this is what we got to do here today, guys. So I'll go from here all the way over here. So we turn from over there all the way around here as well. And after we have the brickwork to do as well. We have this is a garage that we're doing here. So we have the brickwork coming up. So subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can come back and watch the brick video later on. Here now we're catching our square. So right now he's telling me that he want to go over this way a little bit. Let me just move her over a little bit. Okay, so that's where it is. It's 100% square right now. So we want to make our mark from here. Just to put the level right between the line and mark. So that's our square mark right there. So we're going to work off her. This is going to be our inside of our block. I want to make sure we sweep our surface clean and nice. This side over here we're going with a 10 inches block. No. Like that. So we want to make sure we catch it. That's our line, and this way we're going this way with 10 inches block, and here we're going with 8 inches block. That will catch our first one going that way now. Okay, guys. Screw 100%. Little screw again. So we square. It's good. 100% screw going this direction. So now what we're going to do, we want to run our line now, just to check to make sure everything is lined up square and nice. So you have to find them. See, so now we gotta check to see if we're level. Want to make sure we're level going our own. I don't know, I have a line level there somewhere, but Here we're 100% level right now. Okay, that's good, guys. It's 100% square. Okay, guys, let the fun begin.
Hey?
Just doesn't have extension cord though.
Like you want the machine?
Which machine?
The mixer.
I don't know if we're going to see if it'll go on.
What?
You soon can't keep up in that, and just because you may have to get with this stuff.
Who can't give up?
Yeah, because I'm
Alright. Just try to learn how to fix it fast. That's all I'm saying. But if it's so it all moves through like we see it away.
No, that's fast.
Oh, you do? Oh. It's all see if it's long enough, maybe.
This one I want to bring it up a little bit. Remember, guys, you want to make sure you get your first course 100% perfect. Level, square, and plumb. So using a level across is the same result as in plumbing this way. Put it across. From that one.
Hello.
Once you get your first course 100% square and plumb, the wall will go up straight and not factories. So take the time.
That's right. But the investment, the first one.
Yeah. I know you guys may say, oh, I have the line there. I'm still using my level because I'm using the level to try and get each one of the first course plumb. So you see I put my my level across. I'm trying to make sure I'm trying to get a plumb. Butter the block. You basically just want to plaster the front first. Just place it on the front. Just paste it on the face of the block, and then you draw on the side. Thing is not something strong. So now we're gonna check again. Make sure we're 100% level. Over that way. So guys, what we're doing now, we're catching our square because we're making another turn to a different direction. Over more. Bit more, a little bit more over. Okay. Just a little bit more over. Okay, that's where she is. That's where she... Well, look at it, Zach. Down there look more narrow than up here, no?
Yeah, but it looks good.
That's where it says it's square. Okay, hold it right there.
We're gonna double check by measuring it this
Yeah,
way.
we will, for sure. Okay, so measurement from the outside to the outside. So from the outside of that block is 23 feet 5 inches.
Take me in. So we went
You guys want to check to make sure we're level?
No, I know I didn't. I took that. We never went into Kingston.
Perfect, so that's where this one, that's where it's level. And
what a beautiful island.
do a second check, we're going to check this there. Make sure we're
Nuts,
square.
everything there is nuts, alright? Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Perfect. All right, guys, let's lay some more block again. This is the trick. This is the trick to keep the mortar wet at all times. Try and keep your board wet around it like this. So now we're gonna build our corner right now. Getting old, guys. Before, I remember back in the days, I used to clap 1,000 block easy for the day. Now Papa is getting a bit old. Yeah, man. So here we're laying 8 inches, 6 inches and 10 inches block. And the same foundation. Going good so far. Where's my level? So being as we are catching our corner, we're gonna plumb it just like this again. Lastly, so let's see this one going that way. Is the 8 inches. This one going this way is a 10 inches. That's how we're going to do all of them going up, guys. Let me know if we run all over here. Again, you want to run your level like this long way. Make sure all blocks are touching onto the level. That way we know we're on a good track. Once you get your first one, you don't even need to bang the wall up. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's perfectly plumb. This is the result you get when you take your time and catch the first row 100% perfect. Take your time, make sure you level, make sure you plumb. And after, you don't even need to do any bangings.